Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn. In this session we are going to see how to install nginx server on nginx web server on the Raspberry Pi 4 Raspbian OS. But before we move to our practical, friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, thank you so much, and just let's start. So friends, I'm going to show you, or we are going to see how to install nginx, also how to enable the PHP on nginx. Okay, so let's just start. So simply open the terminal, run the command sudo apt install nginx, and you need to space -y. Sudo apt install nginx space -y. It will install nginx web server on our Raspberry Pi 4 Raspbian OS. I have already installed it. Okay, if you install Apache web server also, you need to first stop Apache web service like this way: sudo slash etc/init.d apache2 and stop. Because if Apache service is also running, the nginx service will not work. Okay, so first you need to stop the Apache. If you not install, then there is nothing issue about the Apache 2. So I have already installed Apache 2 also, so first I need to stop the Apache 2. So Apache 2 I have stopped. Then simply we are going to start our nginx, restart, hit enter. It will start the nginx service. Now simply open the Chromium browser and we are going to hit the IP address. Okay, so we are going to hit like this way: 127.0.0.1 and just hit enter. As you can see, welcome to nginx. This is what the default page. Okay, so we have successfully configured the nginx. Now we need to install first PHP packages. So which packages we need for configuring the nginx, configuring the PHP with the nginx? So this is what the packages. Okay, I will mention these packages inside the description box. You need to simply copy and paste it. Okay, so this is what the packages, as you can see here. Copy it, open terminal, paste, and just hit enter. It will install all the packages. Okay, so I have already installed it. As you can see, I have already installed the PHP. Okay, after that you need to again simply run sudo apt install PHP. If some packages were not installed, then this command will install all the packages. First, remember one thing: first you need to copy and paste these packages. Then suppose some of packages were not installed, then you need to run the command sudo apt install PHP, then just hit enter. It will install all about the just remaining packages. Okay, that's it. Now we have installed these PHP packages, also we have installed other PHP related packages. Okay, so clear the screen. Now we need to enable the PHP service, okay, on the nginx. So how to do this? Simply you need to go inside the cd/etc/nginx, hit enter, clear the screen. If I run the ls command here, we need to go inside the sites-available folder. As you can see, the sites-available, cd sites available, hit enter, clear the screen. If I run the ls command, as you can see, we have here default file. We need to edit this file, so sudo nano default, hit enter. Okay, now I am going to make a maximize, and here you need to scroll down, just scroll down, and here, as you can see, it's mentioned here, add index.php to the list if you are using PHP. Means here, from here, you need to add index.php. As you can see, I have mentioned it, the index.php. By default there is no index.php. You need to mention like this way. As you can see, at the end I have mentioned the index.php. Okay, so this is the first thing you need to change inside the /etc/nginx sites available folder, and inside that folder we have default file. You need to edit the file, use any editor. I have used here a nano editor. Then you need to come here, as you can see, add index.php. Here this is what the list. You need to simply mention at the end index.php like this way. Okay, then simply scroll down, okay, And here friends, as you can see, the location, you need to simply uncomment these lines. Okay, so watch what I am going to uncomment it here. So friends, here you need to uncomment, or you need to remove the hash from these lines. Which line I am going to show you here? This one. The first one is the location, then second includes snippets, the fastcgi-php.conf, then this one, fastcgi_pass unix run php, then last is just remove the hash from curly braces. First one this, second one snippets, and the third one is fastcgi, then just uncomment it, the hash from the curly braces. 1 2 3 4, you need to remove the hash, or you need to remove just the hash, or uncomment it, these 3 lines, these 4 lines, not 3, 1 2 3 and the curly braces, like this way. Okay, okay. So again I am going to say it here, what basically you need to make a changes inside /etc/nginx sites available default. You need to first mention here you need to mention the index.php like this way, then just scroll down, and here you will see the pass php script to fastcgi server. You need to uncomment this line. Location, you need to uncomment include. Uncomment means you need to remove the hash from these lines. Include, then fastcgi pass, then just uncomment these curly braces. Okay, that's it. Control X, Y, enter, save it. Now we are going to simply move inside the var www html folder, cd/var/www/html ls. As you can see, I have already created here a index.php file, sudo nano index.php. As you can see here, I have mentioned this type code. This will show us a php info. Okay, Control X, Y, enter, save. Then simply restart the service, sudo /etc/ini t.d nginx restart. Hit enter, it will restart our service. Now if you open the browser, this is what our default nginx page. Now simply you need to mention the php file name which we create inside the var html. So I have created index.php, hit enter, and that's it. As you can see, this is what the php page, the php by default information, and we can successfully configure the php on our nginx web server. Okay, so this is how you can install the nginx. Also you can enable the php for nginx. Remember one thing, if you install the Apache web server, you need to first stop the Apache web server. That's it. I hope you will learn something from this video. We'll meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.